What's up, Hair Maiden India family, wholesalers, retailers, distributors? Welcome to our new page. I want to talk to y'all really quick about the way things work. So there are three pricing categories, 3 plus 1, 2 plus, I can't do my fingers anyway. Three pricing categories: one for 10 bundles, one for 40 bundles, and one for 100 bundles. 1 kg, 4 kg, or 10 kg. So when you see the button that says 10 item price list, that means each bundle, each price, each thing you see is going to be for one item only. So you're going to add up 10 pieces total, which is your minimum, and you'll have your price. The same thing for the 40 pieces, the same thing for the 100 pieces. From there, you can add closures and frontals, and that does add to your 10 item count list. So if you want to get 6 bundles and 4 closures or 3 closures in a frontal, that's totally fine as well. When you use your WS pricing code, you need to go to the sample package bundle page. You don't need to go to the 10 item page. You need to go to the sample bundle pricing page, enter WS pricing, and you can use one time only, less than 10 items or less than 10 bundles, and still get the wholesale price. Any more questions, guys? Email us at info@hairmaidenindia.com or 228-596-5678 is the direct number to me. I'm gonna keep walking my dog. Bless, peace, love.